Here's how to turn a big t-shirt into a beachy dress. First, I'm making a cut about 3 inches in from the shoulder seam, cutting right under the collar. Then I'm cutting about 4 inches off of each sleeve. Next, I'm seam ripping the bottom hem to get some extra length from the shirt. Iron out the folds on the bottom. After that, I'm taking the sides in by about an inch. I cut off the excess and cut those pieces in half. Then I stretched them out and sewed them together. I folded the strip in at those points and sewed it down. This is going to be the belt later. Get a piece of elastic that fits snugly around your shoulders. Leave about a ½ inch on each side to sew it together later. Fold the collar down to create a channel big enough for the elastic to go through. Sew it down with a zigzag stitch, leaving a couple of inches open for the elastic to go through. Feed the elastic by using a safety pin, then sew it together. Sew down the part that was left open. found an extra piece of similar fabric to lengthen the dress. Cut a slit about 3.5 inches up on the shirt. Then pin the pieces wrong sides together. I then overlocked it and top stitched it down. This turned out kind of wavy, so be careful if you're doing this step. Next, I'm adding lace trim to the bottom hem and sewing that on using a zigzag stitch. After that, I folded in the sides of the slit to finish it. I also hemmed the sleeves using a zigzag stitch. To fix the waviness, I covered it up with some more lace trim. Then to make the slit lay flat, I added a long dart and more lace trim to the inside. You can play around with these steps to make it your own.